Hey, back again to new video guys. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath 7X YouTube channel, and this is me 11X custom ROM reviews back with new video here. Platform version 14. That is the Derpfest, and Derpfest version is 14, and it represents as fan edition stable for Alioth 2024 June 10th build. This is maintainer. You can see June 5th 2024 is the latest security patch available for this Mi 11X device, and baseband version you can see, and kernel used here is 4.19.312 perf plus kernel has been used. Linux status is enforcing. This is typical home screen, and these are the quick settings toggles. Smoothness is there. In the edit section there are few more, as you can see. You can add them. I can see the animations. Panic trigger is there. System error, restart, everything is given here. And this is the home screen, and this is typical app drawer. What we can get into the settings, you guys can see dark space, battery settings, battery style. You get some options here. Clock settings, again clock position, AM PM style, show seconds, auto hide is there. Status bar items, again you get all these options. Traffic indicator, that's how it looks like. And carrier label, custom carrier label also you can do. Carrier label position also you can position them. Into the miscellaneous you get logo, enable position and choose the logo. I am using a Derpfest logo itself. Colored icons, notification count, other things you will be getting in the miscellaneous settings. If you slide down, island notification is given. I don't like it in Android. And quick settings, it is taking a restart here anyhow. Yeah, tile layout you can actually customize them. Small circles, large pill, it revert back to our traditional quick settings toggles. Since it is a fan edition, we'll make it to small circle only. And tile shape also you can customize, and other things you can customize from here. Custom header image, again you get plenty of options here too. Image collection, here you need to select that, or else static image you can select among them. Plenty are given. Again you will get a lot more options here. I select this one. Let's see how it looks like. That's how it looks like. And image shadow also you can adjust actually, as you can see. And this offset, yeah, that's also cool guys. There are a lot more customization regarding that. Brightness slider, again you will get it. Position them, estimation time, and animation style, animation duration, tiles. These are the quick settings customizations. If you slide down again, lock screen UI, you get colored clock and all. Ambient display and edge lighting options are given here. You'll get some of the options here to light duration, time, flip to activate. Those are the options you get in terms of notification awakening, I mean using edge lighting. If you slide down again, you'll get general settings like unlimited Google Photos and Google Photos. That's it. And in the customizations you also get these options here. Navigation bar style, pixel animation, monitoring, pulse notifications are also given. High FPS count I did not see in anywhere. If you guys can see, let me know in the comment section. And moving into actual settings like battery, you get thermal profiles, battery usage. The battery life is going to good here. Why I'm telling these days, if it is good only, then only I'll tell. Battery saver, you also get extreme battery saver. You can select the necessary apps here, and scheduling and reminders are also given. Adaptive battery, you guys can see. Again charging control, if you enable that, you get 3 different modes here. Battery optimization, certain apps you want, you can optimize them. This is the battery information. Display, again you get all this option. Dark theme, is it in pitch black? No, just enable this. Now it will be in the pitch black condition, and you can even schedule them based upon the location also. It will be auto set. Colors options, you get all these options. Night light also you get adjustment of intensity, auto rotate screen, peak refresh rate, minimum refresh rate, wake on plug, tap to sleep, tap to wake. Increased touch responsiveness is also given. Custom display settings, you get anti-flicker mode and high brightness mode. Live display, you get color calibration, RGB strength. These are things. In the sound and vibration, again you get individual options here. Vibration, haptic feedback patterns, Mi sound enhancer. Select the preset type and headphone type, and also smart installation. Hi-Fi audio system is also there. Over that, Dolby Atmos is also available here. wallpapers and style, again lock screen customizations, Android 14 style, and change wallpaper. You get Derpfest wallpapers here, nothing more here. Icon upgrade you get from 2 into 2 to 6 into 10 is available. Good thing is fonts also, you get some changes here, plenty are given. Themed icons is also working fine. Accessibility menu, which is my personal favorite. Without actually using the physical button of volume, you can actually increase or decrease the volume from here. That's a cool thing. Not just that, you will get other options also. Again, these are some other accessibility settings. Coming to security and privacy, you get both face and fingerprint unlock. Even app lock is also given. This is the fingerprint unlock speeds, as you can see, and this is the face unlock. As you can see, it's very much fast to unlock your smartphone using both face and fingerprint unlock. That's really good, and we'll complete that. Yeah, system navigation mode, gesture navigation, you will get some options, no, but it's fine. It's above the line. You can use one-handed mode here, that's fine. That's my only complaint. And also you get some of the other options also, gestures, buttons, these are the things they should add here itself in the Derpfest. Anyhow, now moving into camera, here you get two different cameras. That's a good thing. A G-cam kind of camera here, and also a ANX camera, and with leica integrated, and that too HyperOS camera, guys. That's how it is. And some of the pre-installed apps like this one, Accord for music listening, and Firewall for individual apps, and gallery. Screenshots will show the results first. 7,46,537 is the Antutu benchmark results, and the version I am using is 10.2.7, guys. And temperature reviews are around 3 degrees Celsius, and 5% of battery has been dropped. And 6.3.0 is the version of Geekbench I am using. 1128 is the single score, 3177 is the multi score. Basic integrity and status profile match both getting passed here, and device is also certified, hence using payment application is not a problem in this particular ROM. And also the HDR10 support and level 1 certification is done. High definition resolution in OTT application is also not a problem. I'm getting around 240 Mbps here. My plan is 200 Mbps Airtel fiber connection, and that's fine in my opinion. And these are the reader speed test with graph and numericals, and around 332 it was 71%. It gradually shows charging rapidly, and full time here 335 it is 80%. That's how it is. And hope so I covered everything. If you have any specific questions, comment down in the comment section. You get a basic Google dialer with call recording, but it will announce the other person that you are recording the call. UI is smooth, guys. I haven't faced any issues here regarding this particular ROM. If you have any specific questions and any problem regarding this particular ROM, comment down. Let's see others are also facing the same or not, and we'll see the BGMI gameplay. Haptic feedback strength is also fine, and stereo speakers are also good, and using Bluetooth earphones is not a problem in this particular ROM. Let's see how it handles in this particular ROM. Coming to graphics settings, again you get extreme only, no extreme plus options here. Let's see how it actually handles in this particular ROM, guys. And again, I always keep on telling the same thing. Snapdragon 870 powered smartphone. You should compete with similar smartphones only, but gaming experience will be fine, no problem, as you can see. And ROM to ROM there will be very negligible difference. It's not a huge, but what is going to make you huge difference is your practice and type of controls you use, type of thing you use, internet, other things might make huge difference, guys. As of now it's fine for me, I can make it out. I think this casual gaming is fine here. Yeah, there are too many here, and there's a volume band. You also get vibration feedback here, that's fine. And these are the quick settings toggles you get. Very smooth experience I have found in this particular ROM. In terms of UI I am speaking, that's really good. If you have any specific questions, comment down, guys. And as you can see, even in the counter attacks I can able to get the kill. And these are the experience of this Derpfest Fan Edition 14 and latest version with June security patch for this Mi 11X. This is Sampath signing off. Well, meet with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.